Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Raipur, providing innovative solutions in the field of building information modeling, BIM. With a team of highly skilled professionals, the company offers a comprehensive range of BIM services to clients in Raipur and beyond. Their expertise lies in creating 3D models and digital representations of buildings, enabling clients to visualize and analyze their construction projects before they are built. As a BIM company in Raipur, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd adopts a collaborative approach to project management. They work closely with architects, engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders to ensure seamless coordination and integration of design and construction processes. By utilizing advanced BIM software and tools, the company is able to create accurate and detailed models that facilitate effective decision-making and optimize project outcomes. One of the key advantages of partnering with Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is their ability to provide virtual design and construction services. Through BIM technology, the company enables clients to experience a virtual walkthrough of their projects, allowing them to identify potential clashes or design issues early on. This helps in reducing rework, saving time and cost, and improving overall project efficiency. From initial concept development to final construction documentation, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd provides end-to-end BIM solutions tailored to each client's unique needs. Furthermore, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd fosters strong relationships with clients by providing excellent customer support and ongoing assistance throughout the project lifecycle. Their team is readily available to address any queries or concerns that may arise during the design or construction phase. With their expertise and dedication to client satisfaction, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted BIM company in Panaji. In conclusion, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a reputable BIM company in Panaji that offers comprehensive and innovative BIM solutions to clients in the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. With their advanced technology, skilled professionals, and commitment to excellence, they deliver high-quality designs, accurate simulations, and efficient project management. Whether it's 3D modeling or clash detection, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd